Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will make this simple background. We will see how to use Boolean to put the object in the letter, and we will see how to make this cube like that. So without further ado, let's get started. Hit A, hit X, delete, and go here, add a plane. S for a scale, add text. RX 90, I'm going in edit mode. Hit B. S to scale it a little. I'm going in the properties of the text. I keep this font. I'm going to geometry. I extrude it like this. I give it a little dip. And I digress this to 0. Add a cube, S to scale it. I'm going here. I digress in the Z axis, G, Z, and J, X. G, Z to keep it here. I'm going in the edit mode, loop cut, and I give it some cut. Okay, go back to object mode. Right click, duplicate G, Z, select the letter, object, convert to mesh, go to modifier, add modifier, generate Boolean, pick the cube and apply. Now add modifier, generate Boolean, pick second cube, apply. Now select the cube, add modifier, generate wireframe. Disable this, give it 0.07. Select the second cube, add wireframe 0.07. Disable this. I select the first one, go to edit mode and select face. I disable the text to see. Go in here. Now I'm going to select all these faces. Shift, now right click, separate selection by material, and I'm going to here in material, hit new, change the base div principal to class base div, and assign. Go back to object mode. I select the second, edit mode, shift, select all these faces. Take your time to select just these faces. Right click, insert faces. Now I change it a little. Hit new, change principal base div to class base div, and assign. Now I'm going to object mode. Now show the letter, add cylinder. Here in the windows, decrease the number to 10 or 9. Decrease the size in the Z axis, S to scale it, GZ for the plane to go down, GZ, GZ. Okay. Now I select this one. S Y axis. I change this one the same. S Y axis. I want to rotate this one, so I'm going here, object properties. In the Z axis, I rotate it a little, just like this. For this one, just like this. Now let's go to get some material. First, I'm going to Word, Properties, Color, Sky Texture. I digress. Sun rotation, I give it 10. Now add a camera. Hit Alt Control 0. Now N view camera to view. Hit N to close. Now we can zoom in. I scale the plane to cover all my camera. Now I'm going to viewport shading. I switch here to cycles. I active my GPU. I decrease this just like that. Here and here I give it 1000. In the color management, high contrast. Now the plane. Now it's okay. Now we're going to shading. I close this. Okay, it's good. It's 0 for the camera. I started with the plane. New. You can put any color you want. For my case, I give it the gray. The cylinder. Give it just yellow like this. Okay. For the letter, give it yellow, maybe green, but for the glass, a second, and I keep it white. Now hit 0, scale the plane, it's good. Now we are going in the render image to see how look as this background. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy with me to make it. Don't forget to and see you in the next one.